Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Instagram feed is not loading, the issue is usually related to your internet connection or the app itself. First, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the feed refreshes. Then, you're going to go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Instagram, swipe it away, wait for a few while, and then reopen it. After that, you're going to restart your phone, clear some temporary system glitches. Then, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store and then search for Instagram. Then check whether your app is updated to the latest version or not. If not, make sure to update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. On Android devices, clearing the app's cache can help fix the loading issues. If the feed still does not load, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and reinstall it. If none of these steps work, Instagram servers may be temporarily down, so wait a few minutes and try again later. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.